Всем привет! Hello everyone! The day has come, and today I'm proud to present the program of my Russian language course for complete beginners. If you want to understand how the Russian language works from the very basics, not just memorize phrases or sentences, but truly understand how the Russian grammar works, then this course is for you. In this presentation, I will tell you about the course program, what you will learn during the course, so that you can decide whether or not to join the course. So we will start with a bonus week. I want to avoid rushing or overwhelming you with deadlines from the very beginning, from the very start. During the preparation week, I'll introduce you to some essential basics that will be very, very helpful during the main part of the course. You need to know the basics to understand what I will be teaching you during the main part of the course. So this preparation week is completely free for you. There will be video lectures and homework, but without strict deadlines. So the preparation week, the bonus week, will run from November 12th to November 17th. There will be 3 video lectures and home assignments. The main part of the course will take place from November 18th to December the 22nd, 5 weeks. And in total, the course bonus week plus the main learning will last for 6 weeks. And we will finish before Christmas and New Year holidays. So you will be able to celebrate these holidays knowing that you have completed the beginner course, passed the exam, and totally crushed it. So let's take a look at the bonus week. During this week, we will learn to keep small talk and introduce yourself. You can see the dates, so it will start on November the 12th and finishes on November the 17th. What we will cover during this week? We will learn how to pronounce and read certain foreign words in Russian. Then we will learn basic and useful phrases to keep small talk. And also you will learn how to present yourself, how to talk about yourself, about your profession, where you are from, what your name is. And also you will learn how to answer the basic questions. Кто это? Что это? Где это? Who is this? What is this? And where is this? Even if you already know this, don't skip the preparation week. There will be something new for you. Definitely there will be some new words, new phrases, new grammar that you haven't learned before. Okay, let's take a look at the first week of our official learning. So this is where the main course begins. During this week, you will learn how to make simple sentences that is consisted of the subject and the verb, and to talk about yourself. Each week, there will be 3 video lectures. And during the first week, we will cover how to say where the object or a person is located. From the first point of view, from the first sight, it seems that it's very easy to say about that in Russian. Anyway, there are some tricky points about that you have to know, and I will teach you them. Then we will learn how to say what you're doing and where, and to ask other people about the same thing. And also we will expand our vocabulary in order to present yourself. So we will add new information to what you have learned during the bonus week, the preparation week. After each video lecture, you will receive homework that needs to be completed and sent to me for review. During the whole course, you will be writing a personal story about yourself, gradually, step by step, adding new details to your story. So I would say that it will be your big assignment. By the end of the course, you will be able to fully introduce yourself, talking about who you are, what you do, what you enjoy, what you love doing, what your family is like, and so on. And to create this story, this personal story, we need to learn how to express all these things. So we need to know how to use grammar, and we have to expand our vocabulary to be able to talk about this stuff. So I'm going to teach you the basics, and everything that you will learn in this course is connected with each other and logically structured, so that you can piece together the puzzle of the Russian grammar in your mind. So everything that I'm going to tell you about is essential, and all these pieces of information, they are very logically structured. I'm not going to give you the information you don't need at the very beginning. All the information, all the grammar rules that I'm going to give you is essential at the very, very beginning, when you just started learning the Russian language. Without this knowledge, without these basics, it's very difficult to proceed and to develop your Russian skills. Let's take a look at the second week. Second week is the start of the preparation for the final exam task. During the week, you will also have 3 video lessons, and what we will cover. So we will learn how to introduce family members and talk about them. Then we will expand our vocabulary. You will be able to talk about yourself, about what you like to do, what you don't like to do, about your hobbies, what you have and what you don't have. And to be able to talk about this simple stuff, you have to know specific grammatical rules, and I will teach you this. So we will expand our personal story with more details about yourself, about your family, about your friends. I want to say that my goal during this course is to teach you grammar so that you can apply this knowledge in practice. Yes, we will do some standard exercises, which are very essential. But it is also equally important to see how you can use this knowledge to express yourself, to talk about things you are interested in. That is why each week we will continue to enhance your personal story. We will add more and more details while you are progressing during the course. Okay, let's take a look at the third week. During this week, we will learn to speak in all 3 tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. There will be 3 video lectures during this week, and during this week you will learn how to use past tense and future tense. I will tell you some secret that help you to use the future tense without any problem. Then we will expand our personal story. You will be able to talk about stuff in the past tense, where you lived before, what you used to do, what you had, and maybe what you don't have now. And also we will explore the world around us. So we will learn some essential vocabulary so that we can accurately describe what you can see around you using both plural and singular forms. And also I would like to tell about the homework. As I've already mentioned, you will send me your homework for revision. How feedback on homework assignments will work. So you send me your homework. I review it and correct any mistakes. Then I will provide either a voice message or written message highlighting what to focus on, what to review, and explaining why certain mistakes occurred. And also there is one more question: how much time will it take to complete the course? So video lectures will be up to 30 minutes each, plus time to do homework. Each week will consist of 3 lessons, 3 video lessons. You will have time until Saturday to submit your homework. So I think that you should expect to spend approximately 4-5 hours per week studying the material and completing assignments. And this is a great time to set a goal for yourself before the new year and make it happen. Okay, let's go to the next week, the fourth week. During this week, we will work with some texts, and I will show you how you should work with this text, and we will improve our memory and train our memory. Also, I want to teach you a magical word that will help you order food in a restaurant or make polite requests. And also, during this week, I will ask you to make a creative assignment. We are going to create a family tree and to do a small presentation of this assignment. I believe that even though all of us are adults, deep inside we are still kids, and creative assignment will be a very good thing for you to do. And let's take a look at the week number 5. Week number 5 is for review and systematization of knowledge. During this week, there won't be any videos. This week is for answers to questions in group chat. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the group chat. I will answer these questions. Also, during this week, I will provide you assistance in writing your personal presentation, your personal story. And also, it is time for independent exam preparation. During the whole week, I'm available in the group chat. And now I want to tell you about the exam. The exam will take place on Saturday, on the 21st of December. Yes, and the exam will be consisted of 2 parts. So the first part is a dialogue with me. I'm going to ask you different questions in Russian, and you will have to answer the questions. And the second part, it is a personal story about yourself. So this is actually the story we will be working over during this course. You will have up to 5 minutes to tell me about yourself, to make a self-presentation in Russian. So this is going to be the exam at the end of our course. Let's talk about packages. There will be 2 packages, Standard and Standard Plus. Let's take a look what they include and what is the difference between them. So there will be the access to all video lectures. You will have the opportunity to download these videos and to watch them later. So both these packages include this option. The second option is group chat in Telegram for asking questions. So yeah, we will have a group chat and you will be able to ask your questions if they occur. 2 packages include this option. Then feedback on homework assignments. Yes, as I've already said, you will send me your homework, I will review it and correct your mistakes. Both packages included. Then individual support in the last week for the final exam. So yes, as I've already told you, there will be the preparation for the exam week. During the week, you will send me your stories, your self-presentation story, and I will revise it, correct it, and send it back to you. So the fifth and yes, two packages include this option. The fifth option is group conference call in Zoom to discuss mistakes and questions. Now let's talk about the price. So we have price for standard package and price for standard plus package. The regular price for standard package is $200, but started from tomorrow, from the 25th of October, you have the possibility to buy the course for only $130. So this price is valid for only 4 days. And the regular price for Standard Plus package is $270, and during 4 days starting from tomorrow, from the 25th of October, you can buy this package for only $200. So the lowest price is valid for only 4 days. And tomorrow I will announce one very cool present that one of you will get after the course. So if you have any questions, ask me in the comments below. Thank you for your attention, and I'm waiting for you in my Russian language course for complete beginners. Let's learn together.